In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn with Monday.com 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right LinkedIn integration template for your workflow, all within a few easy moves. First, open your Monday.com workspace and head to the board where you want LinkedIn activity to connect. In this walkthrough, that board is called Trial Management. Think of this board as the place where new items, updates, or status changes from LinkedIn will land. If you work in a different board for leads or campaigns, that's fine too. The key is to start on the board that will receive or trigger the automation. Make sure you have the right permissions to edit integrations on this board, as some workspaces restrict who can set these up. Next, look for the Integrate option near the top of the board. Clicking Integrate opens the Integration Center, which is Monday.com's library of ready-made automation recipes that connect your board to other tools. This space is designed to save you time. You pick a service, choose a pre-built template, and let Monday.com handle the heavy lifting behind the scenes. If your workspace has many integrations available, don't worry. You can browse by category or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Now, select LinkedIn from the available services and choose a template that matches your process. These templates, often called recipes, define a trigger and action flow between LinkedIn and your board. For example, you might see options that create items from new LinkedIn events, update statuses when something changes on LinkedIn, or sync key fields between platforms. Read each template's short description to confirm what it does and which side initiates the automation. If you're unsure, pick the template that most closely mirrors the moment you care about, whether that's capturing new activity from LinkedIn into the board or reflecting updates on the board back into your LinkedIn workflow. Choosing a simple, clear template first is a great way to get value quickly and minimize setup friction. That's it. Navigate to the right board, open Integrate, then pick LinkedIn and select the template that fits your needs. If you don't immediately see the LinkedIn category, it may be due to workspace permissions, plan limitations, or regional availability, so check with your administrator or workspace owner. Also, remember that the best template is the one that aligns with your team's real process today. You can always expand later as your workflow evolves. Thanks for watching. If this helped you connect LinkedIn with your Monday.com board efficiently, feel free to follow along with more tutorials like this one.